Is it possible to pair a Roku remote without using the pairing button?
Hello there, welcome to this tutorial. We're here today to talk about Roku remotes and whether it's possible to pair them without using the pairing button. Roku devices and their remotes are a popular option for streaming media in homes worldwide. But what happens when the pairing button on your Roku remote isn't functioning? Let's dive into the topic.
Understanding your Roku remote.
Roku remotes come in two types: standard infrared (IR) remotes and enhanced point anywhere remotes. Standard remotes operate via direct line of sight to your Roku device, while enhanced remotes connect over a wireless network, allowing you to control your Roku device even if it's hidden from view.
Can you pair a Roku remote without the pairing button?
The short answer is no. If you have an enhanced point anywhere remote, it requires the pairing button to establish a connection with your Roku device. The pairing button usually lives inside the battery compartment of your remote. When it's pressed, it sends a signal to the device to initiate the pairing process. Unfortunately, there's no alternative way to initiate this pairing process. If your pairing button is damaged or non-functional, you might need to consider purchasing a replacement remote.
What about standard IR remotes?
For standard IR remotes, they don't technically pair with the Roku device. Instead, they simply send signals directly to the device whenever a button is pressed. As long as your Roku device is within the remote's line of sight, no pairing process is necessary. In this case, if you're having trouble with your remote, it could be due to something blocking the IR signal or issues with the remote's batteries. So, in conclusion, it's not possible to pair an enhanced point anywhere Roku remote without the pairing button. For standard IR remotes, no pairing is required. If your remote is not working properly, check for any obstacles blocking the signal or battery issues. If the pairing button on an enhanced remote is the problem, you may need to consider getting a new remote. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more Roku tips and tricks.